YouTube channel, MyToyS TV. Today we're opening Smooshy Mushy Series 4 Cupcake Edition. And I also have an ice cream one. Can you show them? They're squishies. There's an ice cream inside an ice cream that one. I tried to lick it. It's not even good tasting. So now let's open it. If you watch the ice cream one, you may know how you do this. You may know what's inside, but this is Series 4. Maybe it's new, but maybe not. But it's Series 4, it has to be new, right, guys?
Yeah.
Oh no, baby is to cry. Ignore the baby. It's just my little sister.
What's the name of your baby sister?
Ashley.
So you need to make more video for her later.
Later? Maybe tomorrow. It's already so late. I got coffee.
You love coffee?
No.
You ever try some coffee?
I tried a little bit. One time I only tried a little bit of coffee. Oh, there's a little hole. We got a little cup with yellow and pink chain. We got a mystery one. I think I found cake. I think I found cake, guys. Got a mini squishy, which is a cake that has no face, has a face. It's mini cake squishy. And a giant squishy. And his name tag. And his
It's a sticker.
flyer.
I don't know.
And his sticker.
No, the fire is in the cup.
No.
Yes.
Where?
If I find it.
Oh. It's camouflage. I'm crazy now.
Oh, you're crazy.
It's camouflage, okay, cameraman? I
Yeah,
don't
sure.
see. We've got a lot to collect in this series.
How many caps they got in this series? This is series 4.
Series 4,
They
that's
get
a lot.
A.
We had this one.
Yeah.
Audrey. It's called Audrey. And
Aubrey O and what?
Aubrey. My parents always call me Aubrey. Where's the name tag? I'll name him Audrey. I'll name him Aubrey. Aubrey.
Aubrey. Obrigado.
Aubrey name. His name is Aubrey name. His name is Aubrey name.
So what's next?
We have nothing.
Nothing, are you sure?
Can you bring my others? I love these squishies. They come with a little one.
Yeah, the big one and the small one.
I already have 6 squishies. One is broken a little bit. One is just outside the room. And two is in the cup. One is in this one. Lapsap.
The trash. How to say lapsap or trash in Portuguese?
Lixo.
Issue.
Got this one. I'll mix them together. But these two go together and the mini one. And the mini one goes with, where's the face? The mini one goes with this cake.
I like it. Yeah, the cheesecake and
I'll put this
cookie.
upside down. I'll put the mini ones here. I'll put the big ones here. One of them here. No. You can just put, oh, they're so not organized. Put the paper here.
You are always in a mess. You never organized.
Ignore the baby crying. Okay, quickly. We got 2 name tags, 2 maracas, 2 tops, 2 thingies here, 2 small, 2 big squishies, and that's it. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Look at on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want the subscribe button, press the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.